The pin is part of your Demolition Hammer's tool clamp. The pin secures the tool retainer to the nose piece. Over time, the pin can come loose and become lost. This will allow the tool clamp to come apart. Replacing the pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pin from the tool clamp. I'll rotate the retainer until the hole aligns with the pin. Then I'll compress the retainer and use a small screwdriver to push the pin out of the hole. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull it free. Now I can install the new pin. I'll compress the retaining ring, aligning the hole in the ring with the hole in the tool retainer, and insert the pin. I'll use a small screwdriver to insert it all the way through the tool retainer. Then I like to rotate the retainer a small amount so the hole isn't aligned with the pin. And that's how easy it is to replace the pin on your Demolition Hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.